Hey guys, hey, my name is Barbara.Balcom. I work out here at Guaranty RV in Junction City. I'm sure you guys have heard of us before. I want to show you a really nice unit that's coming in, and I'm pretty confident if you're looking at this video, then you're looking at this segment of the market. Biggest one out there. The vans. The vans are fantastic. They're go anywhere, do anything kind of a rig. You could take it to the grocery store, you can run it through a drive-through window, you can take it across country. If you need to stay with a family member in the hospital parking lot, you're good to go. So we're right here by the, this is the Winnebago product. Winnebago's been in business since the 70s. I got a little bit of sun in my eyes, so I'm gonna go ahead and hold my hand up here. This is the Boldt. So we're having a nice, beautiful van that's on the Mercedes chassis. Lots and lots of power, and it's just loaded with all kinds of goodies. But let's go on in here and take a look. One of the things that I really like about it is the fit and finish. So as you look down this way here, you've got a rear bathroom. This is very aeronautical, quiet, reliable. You've got a big bathroom in the back here. And I'm going to just stand here. I'm going to go ahead and put my arms out. You've got storage in here. But most of all, I'm going to have the cameraman give you a quick look at it. You've got a great shower head here. There's a medicine cabinet, a sink, porcelain toilet, very compact. But imagine this. Imagine, being out and about quite a ways out. You can throw those doors open and take yourself a nice shower. This is also a fold-down screen room. It's very compact, but it's a lot in a little. And I think that's what people really love about these vans. This is a twin model. You can put these two beds together and you can kind of cuddle up. We always order them very well suited. So it's got a JBL speaker. It's got the best generator. It's just loaded. It's induction stove top, solid surface counters. But more than that, it's a Winnebago product. So Winnebago's been building since the 70s, and they know what they're doing. They have a very satisfied clientele. When Guaranty orders these units, they order them with just about every accessory that you could possibly put on it. They have a great price point. We take anything in on trade. You've got lots of storage in these. And like I said, most people that are looking at these videos have already been into these units and taken a good hard look at it. But notice the construction here. The quality is what I'm looking for. Nothing says RV like Winnebago. Winnebago's been around for a long time. They know what they're doing, and they put out a quality product consistently, regardless of what they're building. You've got a woofer system. It's got the TV on it, the true induction cooktop. It's got the generator loaded on it. It's got the Nova Cool refrigerator. Oops, I'm gonna have a hard time getting that open. Well, it's not gonna open that. You've got the convection microwave under here. Nice solid surface countertop. They've used these little bamboo tables to really make a good use of the space. You can bring it down here. It comes up and down, so you can adjust it. It's got a lot of room here in the cockpit. So almost everything is available to you. You've got this full readout in the front. The dash is absolutely beautiful. I feel like I'm in an airplane, honestly. They're very quiet, very small wheelbase. You've got everything set right here, the clock, the cruise control, and just about everything at your fingertips. It's even got a touch start engine. So the best thing that you can do, I could make you a really long video. We could talk about every little intricacy about this about this rig, this van. So instead of doing that, I want to invite you to come out to Guaranty. Ask for Barbara D. I work right here in trailers and vans, and let's go for a drive, because that's really where the rubber meets the road. If you feel comfortable driving this, you will fall in love with it. Give me a call. I'm at 541-521-4232, and we can talk about all the specs there. But most of all, come on out and take a drive. Give me a call, 541-521-4232. Thanks so much.